Hello everyone, Namaskar. This is Dr. Sanjukta Barkataki, and today we are going to discuss about some of the important points that you need to consider before applying for grad school in United States as an international student. So the first and foremost thing you need to consider is to start early and check for deadlines. Obviously, application to grad school can take a lot of your time, from achieving high scores in your standardized test to submitting your transcript and to obtaining letters of recommendations from your professors. There will be quite a few hoops to jump through. So start early, and if possible, make a note of all the documents that need to be submitted for your application, and also note the deadlines, which will include the deadlines for your scholarship programs. Second is figuring out the funding. What are the tuition fees for the programs you are applying for? What budget the university recommends for living expenses? Which scholarship program you are eligible to apply? Whether you will have enough time for part-time job alongside your studies, and are there any opportunities for graduate assistantships? These are some of the points you need to consider. Also, you would need to take into account individual application fees, which can range from $50 to $150 per application. Third important point is to book your standardized test. So most of the universities in United States asked for GRE test course. Most of the time they ask for the GRE general test course, but some of the universities, they require GRE subject test course. So make sure what are the requirements for the program you are applying for. Also, as an international student, you need to book English proficiency test, which can be TOEFL or IELTS, whatever your university accepts. Fourth is to prepare for GRE. So it completely depends on individual to individual, but from my personal experience, it's a pretty relatively vast course. So give yourself enough time to prepare for the test, and also to resit and give the test again if you are not happy with your first scores. That is very important, and enough time for the test center to mark your test and send it to the university. Fifth is to perfect your personal statement. Without a strong personal statement outlining your motivation, qualification, and research proposal, you will stand little chance of getting into graduate school in United States. So write and rewrite your essay, share with your friends, professors, your family, get their suggestions, and look through all the requirements outlining how the personal statement should be. Basically, the personal statement should be a sum of your academic achievements, intentions, and suitability for the course you are applying for. Sixth is to ask for recommendation letter. So ask for the recommendation letters from professors whom you know you have a good relationship, and ask them if they are comfortable recommending you. If they say yes, then book an appointment with them, go through the process and outline them the requirements of the letter. Seventh is to apply for student visa. So once you get your application get accepted to the program in US, as soon as it gets accepted, apply for the international visa interview to the US Embassy. While going for the interview, make sure you take the fees for the application, which is something around US dollars 160 to 170. Then photocopy of your passport, form I-20, confirmation form, the first page of the confirmation form DS-160, and then evidence of fundings in your bank account, evidence that you will be returning to your country once the program ends, and evidence of academic preparation, which will include your transcript and standardized test. So these are the important steps you need to consider when you are applying for graduate school in United States in general. Next time, we will be coming with some important steps you need to consider when you are applying to medical school in United States as well as engineering school. So stay tuned. Until then, thank you so much. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.